Thanks. Well, we have a lot of data. That doesn't necessarily mean we have a lot of data centers, because there's a lot of data flowing through a very few number of data
Yeah, I
centers.
heard computers can handle a lot of data
Yeah,
these
right,
days.
right. That's a whole big data issue, which is a different program. But we have over 200 data centers across the United States, because NOAA is in every congressional district. There are weather forecast offices, river forecast offices, National Ocean Center, National Marine Fisheries Centers, satellite data downlinks and data centers. But we've made some great progress.
Okay.
Since fiscal year 2011, we've closed 41 data centers. And according to the OMB model, and I have to say this carefully because how we count these things is an art, not a science. But according to the OMB model, we've avoided future costs of $145 million.
Wow.
Whether that's precisely the right number, not sure, but it's clearly the right order of magnitude. We did that through increased energy efficiency, and we got energy efficiency at the same time. And the savings were through reduced energy costs and reduced real estate costs. Some other things we've done are more structural. We put in place a policy of, I refer to it as put down the shovel. When you're digging yourself in a hole, the first thing you do is put the shovel down. So we have this rule that says no new data centers unless you have some compelling reason. And that itself, as we've had to refurbish facilities, build new facilities to replace old facilities, well, the new facility doesn't get a data center, and that drives consolidation as a natural byproduct of the modernization process. Idea. We appointed a data center program manager to coordinate this effort. That's actually a position that's being filled as we speak. We've established some rules that program manager will be enforcing. A basic rubric that says if the function being supported by the data is a primary mission essential function, in other words, American lives are at risk if we don't get it right. That's going into a private cloud, and what we mean by that is a single tenant. Doesn't mean that it has to be run by the government, but it's just us there. The other functions could be a community cloud for low or non-mission essential functions, or we might put something in the private cloud if the economics say so. Right. And the biggest accomplishment.
We're going to hit cloud too coming up. So
okay, well, more on that later. The biggest accomplishment, though, I think, is that we've made major strides in changing the culture that causes users to want to keep their infrastructure close to them. So not everybody, not all users get it, but the leaders are getting it, and they're finding themselves able to let go.
Okay.